Law of Attraction success story number 2. In this video, you're going to witness a short success story, but very powerful one, around manifestation in the Law of Attraction. It's going to help you increase your faith and belief. It's going to help you increase your belief around manifesting powers that you have within you to manifest literally anything that you want. Hey, Scott Haug here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. This video is going to be one of our members in our course named Clara. She manifested $4,500 within 30 days of doing specific things around manifestation that you'll see on our channel here and our courses and coaching and everything like that. She followed through on the manifestation and was able to manifest that $4,500 unexpectedly. Some really great things happened in our life during this time, not just monetarily wise. She was able to start seeing things actually happen, evidence of this manifestation power actually working. I want that to be for you as well. Just before we get into success stories, subscribe to the channel. It's going to allow you to actually get the notifications when we send out more great manifestation how-to content. Number 2, make sure you like the video and then comment below congratulations to the member. Because the more good you can feel about others manifesting money, the more, instead of feeling jealous and envious, the more you can feel confident and send good energy out to these people, the more it's going to be okay for you to attract money, right? And that's a very fundamental in manifestation. Number 3, if you also want to join in the course and get the system or in the coaching, just go in the description below, click the link, check it out. We have everything you're going to need on the actual system on how to manifest consistently. All right? Sending light and prosperity over to you. Let's flip it right over to our client success story here. Increase your faith, increase your belief as you're listening into this. Let's do it.
Scott, I want to thank you so much for the Manifestation Accelerator course. It has truly changed my life. In the first couple weeks of being in this course, I had my first big win of $4,550. Since that, my wins have continued. My income has increased. I'm seeing those manifestations every day in my life. Thank you for teaching in the way that you do. It's simplistic. It's easy to understand. And I am just plain excited to be in this course, to be part of this learning with you and with the others in this course. Thank you again and again. I've been searching for something like this for over 20 years, and I finally found it in this course. Thank you, Scott. Thank you. Let's keep rocking it together.